This is for Year 12 methods. It comes out of 5.8. It's question number 4, which is a product or a question. F of x equals 3 cos of x sine of 5x. So I'm going to use the product rule where u times v is going to be u dash times v plus v dash times u. U is my first term that includes an x, so that's going to be 3 cos of x, which means u dash will be -3 sine of x, and v dash will equal the derivative of sine of x is cos of x, so it will be cos of 5x, but because I have 5x, it's going to be the derivative of the inside, which is 5, and that's going to be a negative. Okay, so putting it together, u dash is -3 sine of x times v, which is sine of 5x, plus v dash, which is 5 cos of x, 5x, times 3 cos of x, which is going to be -3 sine of x sine of 5x plus 15 cos of 5x cos of x. Okay, so that's part A, the derivative. Part B says f dash of 0, and part C says f dash of pi on 2. Remembering that this is going to be 0, and the coordinate there is 1 and 0, and this is going to be coordinates of 0 and 1, and down there it's the coordinates of 0 and -1, and that x is equal to the cos of theta and y is equal to the sine of theta. Okay, in part B it says f dash of 0, and that's going to equal -3 sine 0 times sine 0 plus 15 cos of 5 times 0, which is 0, times cos of 0. Sine of 0 is 0. Cos of 0 is 1, and cos of 0 is 1. So that's going to equal 15. And in part C, I'm looking for the derivative when x equals pi on 2. That's going to equal -3 sine of pi on 2 sine of 5 pi on 2 plus 15 cos of 5 pi on 2 cos of pi on 2. Okay, here's where pi on 2 is, and 5 pi on 2, well, that's pi on 2, 2 pi on 2, 3 pi on 2, 4 pi on 2, 5 pi on 2 is in the same spot. Sine is the y coordinate, so the y coordinate will be 1. So that's going to equal -3 times 1 times 1 plus 15 times 5 on 2, cos is the x coordinate, times 0 times 0. So it's going to equal -3.